Hey guys, welcome to Delve Stack, and this is how to add a watermark in CapCut fast. So first is you could just simply go ahead and open up the CapCut application into your device. And now from here guys, you could just simply go to one of your project that you want to add the watermark to, or you could just simply create a new project based on your preferences. Now, over here, for example, guys, I will add my watermark as our channel. So for example, I'm going to go for text over here and I'm going to select add text down below. And now I'm going to go for delve stack. And after that, from here, you could just simply go ahead and provide the username. And now you will have the fonts over here and you will have the style as well. Now, from here, just simply go edit out your text or your watermark. Now, from here, of course, you could go provide the color, the size, and when you tap on your text, you can adjust it as well based on your preferences, and you can also rotate it. And now, this will be our watermark for the video. And now you could also add effects if that's what you like. And you will have your brand color, stroke, glow, and background. So pretty much over here, you will have everything that you need. And after that, once you are done with everything, select check over here. And after that, guys, as you can see, you will have the dev stack watermark over here. And of course, you can also adjust it throughout the timeline based on your preferences to have the watermark. So pretty much this is a simple tutorial and this is how to add the watermark or your brand name into CapCut for you. And mostly this is used for reposting or for the trademark of your brand.